Hi, this is Harvey Singh from Instancy. As a learning manager or learning designer, are you constantly hearing the terms augmented reality and virtual reality in e-learning? And if you are wondering how to use these technologies to deliver learning to your customers and employees, then I have an exciting news for you. I'm offering a free webinar about augmented reality in e-learning and performance support. Augmented reality is poised to transform e-learning industry. Augmented reality can be delivered today through commonly used mobile devices or smartphones such as Android and Apple iOS devices. The technology to create, deliver, and manage augmented reality-based e-learning content is easily accessible. Augmented reality content for e-learning is going to mushroom rapidly in 2023 and beyond. Please sign up today and join me on this augmented reality for e-learning and performance support webinar on January 19th, 2023 at 11 a.m. US Eastern Time.